Going on, people? Bam with the Ghetto Investor. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm here to say that I'm out of that stock. I'm out of that mysterious stock. Sold out on every account. I had it in 3. I sold out with a $14 loss. I thought it was going to be $400. Happy to get off that roller coaster without a bruise, scratch, mark. Feel good. There's other companies. We are not going to tie up a load of money in a company that I don't see the growth happening until the next 5 years. If I gotta keep looking into something, if I can't sleep well at night, I gotta keep studying, you gotta get out. It's not about where it goes from here, if it goes higher, if it goes lower. Once you out, you out. You sold out, move to the next one. Always remember, you could be down in the stock. I was down $400. You're never out until you're out. Once you're out, then you out. We got out on a good page. God bless. I hope everybody followed up. They made their money. They got it cheaper. I see much more success. Let's get to it. Happy to be a stock market investor. Everybody should be. Everybody that's out there that's a stock market investor, be happy to be an investor. It's part of building wealth. But we out, and we on to the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe.